Hey, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and I am so excited to show you guys my new planner setup. This is the Happy Planner Notes. Some people are calling it the HappyNichi or Happy Notes, whatever it is. It was really cute, and I wanted to give it a try. This is the cover that it comes with, or this is the one I bought. The gray cover and the gray rings. So basically I made my own cover, and I'm using the note paper that came with it, and I may use this one for something else. But I replaced the gray rings. I had the gold ones. I didn't have enough, so I do still have those two gray ones. They're probably in my craft room somewhere. But anyway, to make the cover, I used a piece of chipboard. And you can buy a chipboard at Michael's or any hobby store, but this is the chipboard, and I just covered it. I covered it with this paper. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's in the paper aisle, and it comes, I don't know, it's kind of like a wrapping paper. But first I punched holes in the chipboard, and then I punched holes in the other paper, and I glued it to the front, and then I glued another piece to the back. Actually, I wrapped it around the front, and then I covered the inside of it with another piece, so you can't see where I folded it over. And for my dividers, I just kind of cut some scrapbook paper down the same size as the sheets, and for the hole reinforcer I used this punch and some gold glitter cardstock that I also got from Hobby Lobby. And I have a die cut that I use these tabs for. I'm not sure where my die cut is. Oh wait, I think I can show you. It's right here. This is the die cut that I use. It is the We Are Memory Keepers Punches File Tab. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99. But you can probably find it on Amazon. Let me just show you. It comes, like, you don't have to sit there and die cut each little piece. It's like a long piece like that. But anyway, let me show you how I have this set up. The first section is my notes, and I will probably use just the paper that it came with, and I have it in the back. So first I have notes, and I don't know, I just have this little die cut there because it was cute. That is one of the die cuts from my shop. I'll leave the link in the description box. But this section is for my planner. You can't see it because I used white. Wait, maybe if I do it like that you can see it. But I used white, some little white alphas, and it just says planner. It has a little bow. And I kind of made a folder so I could stick some little die cuts and stickers inside there. But this is my planner section. And I also have an insert. Oh, I don't know why this one is upside down. I have an insert. The insert is not on my site yet, but I'll have the I'll have the link to the insert maybe in a day or two if it's not up already. But this is the insert that I made and that I'll be using. It's kind of the same as my mini Happy Planner. It just has like one extra row at the bottom, and I'll show you. Most of you have seen this already, but just in case you haven't, this is, let me find one without all this extra stuff. This is like that same insert for the mini Happy Planner, but it's kind of the same. It just has one extra row at the bottom, and like the side, you get that space on the side, so like you can have some extra room to put your planner dolls. They can hang off the edge without, you know, cutting too much off. So that is my planner section. And then this is just what you call those, like a vellum envelope. I think it's the regular mailing size, the number 10, and I just punched some holes in it, and again put those little gold glitter things on it. And I have a little label on my envelope. It says stuff. And I just have some die cuts and stickers in there. And in this section, I am going to do like all my favorite quotes. And I'll do like just I guess like creative journaling layouts. I haven't really figured it out, like how I'm going to do this section yet. But I have my quotes section, and then I have memory keeping, and that is in the back. And everything else may stay in here, but I know, like, I'm not sure if my planner will stay in here. I'm just trying it out with the planner for right now, but I know I will keep it up with the memory keeping. Because let me show y'all my little mini chunky. I am not ready to move from this yet. I feel like my life is in here, and I don't want to take it apart unless I know for sure something else is going to work. So I may just try using my planner in here for the month. And let me just show y'all this. I tried, some of y'all saw it on my channel, I tried doing bullet journal style in January, and it just did not work for me. I couldn't get the hang of it. Like, I did a few layouts and also did process videos. The process videos for these are on my channel. But I just couldn't get the hang of it. I couldn't stick with it. Like, it's pretty, but it just wasn't working for me. And I think one of the main reasons is the yellow paper. And I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. Let me go to a blank page. But like, it just has a yellow tint to it, and I don't know, it was just irritating me. And there's a lot of bleed through, like when I write I can feel the writing on the next page. I don't know, this paper was just really bothering me. But everything I was trying to do with this journal, I am going to try it in this size. And I think this may work because I can use whatever paper I want. I can use whatever scrapbook paper and just punch it with my punch it with the Happy Planner punch. So we shall see how this works out. And oh, let me just show y'all my other layouts. Because I don't know, it was really pretty. You ever do something? It was really pretty, but I felt like I was just copying. Like, I watched a bunch of bullet journal videos, and it was so pretty and it looked so fun. It was fun to do, but I don't know, it just didn't speak to me once I was done. And you can see I did January. And February I kind of fell off. I wanted to do like a mood tracker, my highs and lows for the month, the doodle per day, and it just didn't work for me. So everything I was trying to do with this bullet journal, I'm going to give it a shot with the happy notes for this month. So stay tuned for playing with me and whatever else I figure out to do with this. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you think. If you're also trying this size, let me know, because I haven't seen many people plan in here. So stay tuned for the plan with me, and I will see you guys later.